We are students of Sumy State University. It's the 10th day of war. Today we got the news that Russia has announced ceasefire to open humanitarian corridor for two cities. One of them is Mariupol, which is 600 kilometers away from Sumy. Since morning we are constantly listening to bombarding, shelling, street fights. We are afraid, we have awaited a lot and we cannot wait anymore. We are risking our life. We are moving towards border. If anything happens to us, all the responsibility will be for government and Indian embassy. If anything happens to us, to anyone, Mission Ganga will be a biggest failure.
This is the last video from the Sumy State University students, and we are just risking our life and we are just going to this border which Russia has opened. So this will be our last request and last video, guys. Just pray for us, and government, please let you guys know that we are just moving from our own